Yeah, I know you guys, we have been wondering about the use of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is best software which is used in the management and everything. And you guys, I hope you need Microsoft Excel in your work if you are, yeah, I don't know whether you're a businessman or a woman, but you really need this software. So I would like to share you some of you tips and tricks of using Microsoft Excel. I'm sure you are going to enjoy the course, I know. As you see, yeah, Microsoft Excel is already open. Should I start? Okay, let me start. What I can say, you have to open your Microsoft Excel. You can type MC Word, or you can also come here and type Excel. Yeah, sure. You open it, your application, your Microsoft Excel. You guys, I'm telling you, Microsoft Excel is the basic tool that is used in the business. Now, when you open here, this shows it get Microsoft Excel opens itself. As I said, Microsoft Excel is the best tool used in a business. So Microsoft Excel looks like a book. Why do I say that Microsoft Excel looks like a book? It's because book has a lot of shit. Book have a lot of shit. If you don't know what is a book, for example, get your Bible, get your Quran. This is really an example, popular example of a book. It has a lot of shit, you can check. Even Microsoft Excel, it has a lot of shit. Now, after creating a lot of shit, what you can do, you can rename your sheet. What you do, you just click on a sheet, right click, then come to rename. Maybe rename it, for example, expenses. As an example, or after click, or maybe you can press enter, rename even this one. No, you can also rename this one, right click, rename it, for example, let's rename it salary, for example, which means you are having a document of Microsoft Excel which has different types of sheet. When I talk about sheet, we are meaning a sheet of paper. Now, Microsoft Excel, its interface looks like a table. I don't know whether you see it. So it has what we call cell. This one is cell. We call it a cell. Okay, a cell. Now, for example, when you come to file, print, Microsoft Excel shows you an empty, but let's type something here between. For example, let's type something. Come to file, print. It is showing you name a duplicate paper. The blank paper. That's what we say. It is not showing well. It is not showing this line is you see and in the paper of Microsoft Excel. So normally this is how Microsoft Excel looks like. Now using Microsoft Excel, it has a lot of things to discuss with. So you guys, I hope with me everything is going to be all right. I'm not going to talk about too much because I'm going to base on advanced some of the basic and advanced courses in the Microsoft Excel. But what I can tell you is that with me, Excel shall be easy. So now, what I'm going to show you, I am going to show you how you can use Microsoft Excel, making tables, analyzing. For example, let's continue. Here, if you want, you can even click to tab color. Come here to put any color you want, because if you see, right click, tab color, choose any color of your sheet. So this shows that each it will help you to distinguish one paper from another. Now what I can say, let's start with operators. Let's first, for example, let's make names. For example, let's have class. I don't know if it's an example. Let's have English, for example. English, I don't know whether you guys know English. Let's have French. Okay, now you can come here to for example, you can do like that, come to home, then click here, then do all borders. So now it is going to come like this. For example, let's have Robin, that's my name. Let's have David, for example. Let's have Pasi. Let's have any other. It depends on which names are you discussing with. Now let's say here class, for example, S4. Let's put here S4 again. Let's put also here S4. For example, we put here 30. We put even here 20. We put even here 40, for example. Put here 45. Put here 34. We put here 23. Now I'm going to select here down. I come back here. I choose no border. Now what I can do here, we are going to start with operators. Operators in Excel, they are very crucial things. How many operators do we have, you guys? We have negative, we have also plus, we have also times, it's also another. We have also division. We have also, I think those are the main operators we have. We have multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division. Now how do you, let's start by addition. Now addition, how do we add in Microsoft Excel? Now for example, we have many ways we can use. We have many ways we can use to add something, and those ways are like, for example, let's start adding. For example, I can do here, we have a function called sum. You can type equal sum, click here on sum, then choose number 1, number 2. You can choose one number, put comma, type comma, you type comma again, you click on it, you hit enter. Okay, they are showing you that it's 102. That's which means that's how you can. So now with addition, you can use an operation called sum function. Sum function is a crucial function in Microsoft Excel which is used for addition. So what you can do now, for example, here you can do like this. You can type, for example, you have to type equal, you type sum. When you type sum, Microsoft Excel try to remind you some of the functions sum which are here. So you click on 1, then you choose number 1, you put comma, you another number, you put comma, another number, you put comma. So you hit enter. Again, another thing you can do, you can also select equal. You can also do equal sum. You click on sum, double click, select all numbers at the same time, then enter. So it's also another way to do addition. Yeah, it's also another way to do addition. Another way you can use, you can also select. After selecting the whole column, come here to home, then auto sum. When you click here on auto sum, it also shows you what you can do, how you can the total, like it's the same way with equal sum. Another way you can use to make sum, so here auto sum, you just select before, then click to auto sum, then the total comes here. Another way you can use to select, to do addition, you can also do like this. You can type equal, let's say, you can also type equal, you click on a number, you use normal addition, you type to another number, use normal addition, use that sign of a plus, you also do addition. So I hope you guys, you see, you are observing how you, in several ways you can use to make some function. Now guys, another thing I can show you is that if you want, you can also select. It's my last method of showing you how you can do addition, Microsoft Excel. So you can also select here, then come to come here, there is what we call quick analysis tool. After, come to total, then sum. If you click on sum, now this shows it is also giving you. Let me repeat this method. How you do it, you just select. After selecting, you come here, choose total, then sum. Okay, now you guys, my last method is this one. You have seen how our teachers suffered to make total on a report max, because on a report max we have a course like French, for example. I don't know whether you know what is French. We have like English, we have again like history. I don't know whether you studied history. We have chemistry, where here there is 30, and here there is 30, and here there is 56. Now here it's not easy. What you have to do, you can select, click here, then come to total. Do not choose this sum, choose this one. This one gives the total of a column. The same way to here. You can also select here, you come here, click on the quick analysis tool, come to total, then you choose this sum function. So it gives you total of courses. I know at school we used to have a report max which has the cards, the things, the practices I've made at school, and the exams. So they used to add exam and practices exercises. So this is the good method they used to add our report marks. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the course of sum function and addition, because now we are dealing with operators in Microsoft Excel. So see you next time when we are going to see another operator: subtraction, division, and subtraction, division, and multiplication. So this is Teacher Robin. See you next to the next course.